Oh, Jell-O.
Could have done that.
Get away from me.
Okay, Jonathan, you want to point that somewhere else?
Don't you try and stop me.
No? No stopping. Just here for the view. Hey, look, City Hall.
Go away.
Never gonna happen.
You think I won't use this?
I don't know, Jonathan. I just...
Stop doing that.
Doing what?
Stop saying my name like we're friends. We're not friends. You all think I'm an idiot. A short idiot.
I don't. I don't think about you much at all. Nobody here really does. Bugs you, doesn't it? You have all this pain, all these feelings, and nobody's really paying attention.
You think I just want attention?
No, I think you're up in the clock tower with a high-powered rifle because you want to blend in. Believe it or not, Jonathan, I understand about the pain.
Oh, right. Because the burden of being beautiful and athletic, that's a crippler.
You know what? I was wrong. You are an idiot. My life happens to, on occasion, suck beyond the telling of it. Sometimes more than I can handle. And it's not just mine. Every single person down there is ignoring your pain because they're too busy with their own. Beautiful ones, popular ones, the guys that pick on you, everyone. If you could hear what they were feeling. Loneliness, the confusion. It looks quiet down there. It's not. It's deafening. You know, I could have taken that by now.
I know.
I'd rather do it this way.
I just wanted it to stop.
Yeah, well, mass murder, not really doctor recommended for that kind of pain. Besides prison, you know, it's a lot like high school, only instead of noogies.
What are you talking about?
Actions having consequences, you know, stuff like that.
I wouldn't ever hurt anybody. I came up here to kill myself.